In this video, I want to talk about Buddha Palm Qi Gong. So what is Buddha Palm Qi Gong? It's about the hands, basically, the healing properties of the hands. The hands are amazing. They're reflex points of the body. So we get reflexology on the feet. Everybody's heard of that. What about reflexology on the hands? Same thing. So we've got the energy and the blood circulating from the hands. And the Qigong masters realized this thousands of years ago when they realized the potential of the hands. So what Buddha Palm Qi Gong is actually cultivating energy through your hands for healing, firstly yourself, and then secondly, people around you, which yourself is the most important thing, which is why people talk about when you're in a plane disaster, you put your oxygen mask on first so you can help other people. Same thing, you heal yourself with energy first, and then you can help other people. So Buddha Palm is all about compassion. That's why it's called Buddha. The Buddhists were all about compassion and opening your heart. So it's really about your palms and the energy coming from your heart out into your palms, which is why Buddha Palm Qi Gong is really compassionate energy healing. It's about you, firstly, healing yourself, which is what Qi Gong is all about, and then healing other people. Qi means energy, Gong means cultivating well or even mastering your energy. So we want to try and feel that right now. We're going to feel that with a Jigam exercise. So Jigam is a Korean form of energy meditation. We're going to try and feel the energy between our palms. Why is this important? Well, many Reiki masters use universal energy flowing through them, and many just energy healers. They just use their hands. They don't use any Reiki techniques. They use their hands just to heal energy. So this is such an important part of your Qigong practice. So we're going to start right away by just rubbing our nails together very gently. Feel the scratch. You can go a little bit harder, a little bit harder. So we're stimulating the meridians of the hands now. So if you can, find a beautiful setting to do this in. This is our garden. We put lots of good energy into our garden. My wife's a Reiki master. I'm a Qigong master. Been practicing Qigong for over 15 years now, about 20 years. Coming up to 20 years. So, and then twisting your wrists like you're unscrewing light bulbs. See if you can feel that energy starting to cultivate around your hands. It feels like a bit like candy floss. Okay, 20 times, yeah? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. Shake your fingertips out like you're shaking water drops off your fingertips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then flapping your hands up and down. Feel the opening of the wrists, your heart meridian opening up for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then massaging right in with the palm with the other thumb. It's called the yang shin point. It's the heart chakra of the hand. So quite firmly massaging in there. And then pushing in quite hard without hurting yourself. Don't ever hurt yourself when you're practicing Qigong, but just feel a bit of pressure there. So you're opening up. You can feel any tingling on your fingertips as you do this. Can you feel any tingling in your hands? And then the other side. Remember, Qigong is all about experience. You want to experience your body. So how does it feel when you massage right in the middle of the palm? How does that feel? Is that comforting for your hand? And then pushing in, gently pushing in. Now start to get yourself into a nice position. Try and straighten your back, align your chakras and your danjons together. And then bring your hands in about 5 or 6 inches apart. If you're comfortable enough, close your eyes. Focus on the 2 yang shin points we've just actually stimulated and make little circles with your hands. See if you can feel the tingling starting to meld together, good word. Just feel that tingling. You're starting to feel a pushing, a pulling, a magnetic feeling, a spongy ball type feeling. Just keep relaxing, nice, natural, deep breaths into your lower danjon, your lower abdomen. Danjon is the same as Dantian in the Chinese version of Qigong. Just feel that energy now. And then gently stopping your hands as you breathe in, opening up your palms, expanding that energy ball, and as you breathe out, slowly bring the palms back in. And you feel that resistance, that pushing, that pulling, that magnetic feeling. So try to synchronize, when you first start doing this, try to synchronize your breathing with your movement. So breathing in and breathing out, that tells your body you're in a good place straight away when you synchronize your breathing and your movement. Your mind starts to wander, bring it back to the space in the palms. You can start to feel that spongy ball, magnetic feeling. Open up your hands just a little bit more. Focusing on the palms and the space. You feel that magnetic resistance. Open up the palms even more. Focusing on the palms and the space. When you get good at this, you don't have to synchronize your breathing, but it really is a helpful way of getting you more relaxed. You want your shoulders relaxed, your elbows relaxed, your wrists relaxed. Keep softening your body with your mind. Soften your body so it's full of energy, full of potential, not floppy, but empty. So you're in the flow of your energy. Let your energy flow beautifully through your hands into the space. You're starting to feel that beautiful energy ball. Can take, the first practice can do it. It can take a week, it can take a year. I've known people it's taken 2 years. I've known people who never got this. So just keep practicing, see where it takes you. Okay, we're going to gather up that beautiful energy ball, the Qi energy ball. Can you feel the edges of the energy ball? And then place that beautiful energy into your lower danjon. Give you the power, the passion, the creativity to manifest more healing energy through your hands. In our Korean practice, the lower danjon is the most important danjon for your grounding. Once you get your solid base, then all the higher frequencies are easy to tune into. It's all there waiting for you. You just need to focus on your lower danjon. And just let yourself rock and sway a little bit. Be in this moment 100%. Be like the grass in the wind. Just contemplate what you've just experienced. Did you feel the tingling? Did you feel the magnetic feeling? Did you feel the spongy ball, the resistance? Okay, take a deep breath in. Fill up your upper chest, your lower danjon, and then leaning forward, breathing out through your teeth. Breathing in, coming back up. Then rubbing your palms together. Do they feel a bit softer? All that new energy come through your hands. Get some heat into your hands. Feel that friction again. Either energetically or physically sweeping over your face, over your hair, down your arms, down your torso, all the way down to your toes. We say, I Shawanada, right? It feels so good. Feels so good. When you're working with energy, it feels really good. So come back and do this every day, this Jigam practice. See if you can start to feel the energy. Let me know in the comments if you do. If you want to go deeper with your Qigong practice, you like the Korean style of Qigong, you can join the Bright Beings Academy for free. There's a 7-day course. You can do the course for free. And so you can see whether this practice is for you. Then we have beginners courses and more advanced courses as well at the Academy. We also run live classes every week, Thursday evenings at 7 p.m. and Sunday mornings at 11 a.m. So if you fancy that, click on the link, come through to the Bright Bees Academy. Next video, try your pineal gland. It's coming up next. Look forward to seeing you very soon. Till then, be well and keep shining.